Firstly, we will know about the cell reference, the cell address that we use in formula. The cell address, you know about the cell address, you read about cell address in class 6. The address of this cell is B2. The address of this cell is A1. The address of this cell is A2. So you read about the cell address. When these addresses is used in formula like that, if I will write A1 plus A2 in formula, then it make a cell reference. Suppose that I will write it alone, then it is the cell address, but we used in formula, that make a cell reference. The cell address that we use in formula, that is known as a cell reference. There are three types of cell reference. Firstly, relative reference. Second is absolute reference. Third is mixed reference. Today, one by one, we will discuss about this topic. Before, I want to tell you that these references used for calculation. In this chapter, we will create formula. One by one we will understand this. Firstly, we will start with relative reference. After that we will discuss absolute and then mixed. Firstly, relative reference. When we copy or move formula, we will create a formula and we copy or move formula to other cell. The reference of cell is automatically changed. This is known as a relative reference. We will understand this example. Suppose that in A3 I will write down formula A1 plus A2. When we copy this formula to B3, then it automatically change. We will not change. We will write only A1 plus A2, but it automatically changed. We will understand this topic with the help of Excel sheet. How it is changed automatically. Let's see. Firstly, we will write down product name, and one by one we will write down these things. Then we will write down the quantity of this. Then we will write down the price. Now we will calculate it. We will multiply quantity with price. So we will write down the formula B6 into C6. We will write down the formula B6 into C6, and now we will calculate it. Now we will try to drag this formula. When we drag this formula, then calculation automatically done and cell address also be automatically changed. Now we will drag the formula. You can see that we are going to drag this and amount is already filled, automatically filled. We will check the cell address. You can see that automatically change. B8, C8 and B9 and C9, B7, C7 automatically changed. We write only one formula and it automatically changed. Now we will discuss about the absolute reference. Absolute reference when we do not want to change the address of cell, when we do not want to change the cell of address while copying the formula. When we copy formula, cell address will not change. That is known as a absolute reference. For doing this, we will use dollar sign. We will put dollar sign, and when we put dollar sign, it will not be changed. It will be fixed. You can see in relative reference, it automatically change. B2, B3, B4, B6 automatically change. We do not do anything. But in this formula, it will not change. It will not change. We will also learn this thing with the Excel sheet. In Excel sheet, you will write down the name and you will have to write down the hour, and now we will find out the gross pay. And the 1 hour they will pay 110 rupees. They will pay 110 rupees. Now we will use these things. We will write the formula, and we will write the formula like that. We will fix something like we have to fix the B4, and B4 we will write down dollar sign. We will write down dollar sign, and B8 we will not fix because we have to change it. We have to change it, so we will not put dollar sign. Only B4 we made a dollar sign. Now B4 will be fixed. B8, B9 it will be changed. Now we will try to do this calculation. I am again telling you that V8 will not be changed, but V4 we have written it. It will be changed. V4 because we have put dollar sign, so it will be changed. But B8 we do not write dollar sign, so it will be changed, and B4 will not be changed. Now I am going to drag it to calculate, and it will be. Now we will check the cell address. You can see that B11, B12, it automatically changed, but B4 will not be changed. It automatically fixed. We always multiply by this, and B8, B6, it automatically changed. Now we will talk about the mixed reference. The combination of relative and absolute reference is known as a mixed reference. In this reference we either fixed column, either fixed row. या तो हम column को fixed करेंगे या row को. You can see in this example, I only made a $1 sign. In previous topic you can see that I put $2 sign because I only fixed A. I not fixed 1. I not fixed 1. And in this things you can see that I fixed only 2. I not fixed with A. So it is a mixture of two references. It is a mixture of two references, relative references and absolute reference. We also read these things with the help of Excel sheet. We write down price, we write down quantity. Now we will write the formula. You can see that we fixed B4 and we not fixed C4. Only we fixed 4 column. I fixed only 4 column. Now I will be multiply. Now I will multiply it, and now I calculate it. You can see that answer will be filled. Now you can see that it will be fixed. It will be not change. You can see that always B4. Now C6 has been changed, but B4. Again you can see C7, C8, C9, C10, it's automatically changed, but B4 is fixed. And you also can see with yourself, multiply these things. Always we multiply with it. Always we multiply with it. This is a mixed reference. These things we have to read in this chapter.